work together and make sure that the farmer has indeed this long-term perspective, is incentivized and has the opportunity to have this long-term perspective, has the trustful environment to do that. And I think that is very, very important. At the same time, for the corporates within this supply chain, it is just as important to have the entire supply chain working together, because scope 3 is like 90% outside of these large corporates, so they need each other. And I think that by cooperation, it can work.
All right, great bridge to my last question. Incentive for farmers. I'm also one of them. If you ask me what should the carbon credit value be in order to cover my cover crops, cost and others, I would say it's around 50, 60 to 70 euros per ton. I'd like to ask all of you, and starting with Barbara, what is the amount you think the carbon credit value should be in order to let this all really scale and make this 7 to 10 billion tons a reality?
I don't think that you can look at the credit price in isolation. So I think that we need a price of 100 euro per ton for carbon, but if you look at the break-even point, it will be indeed union, and I strive for 100 euro per ton.
Thank you. For the others, we only have a number left, so can please the numbers. You're muted, Ken.
I'd say a minimum of 50. I mean, I'm brilliant if you can push it to 100, but I don't think.
Right now, and there's a broad expectation that carbon prices will rise, and there's going to be more carbon value on the table in the future, in addition to some cases providing kind of standalone economic return on investment. So I'm going to kind of walk the line there.
Thank you. Paul, you can finish.
I basically agree with what Matt just said. Most of our research has been done in the US, and we think that large-scale supply starts to unlock probably around the 30 euro per ton mark, but again, it's, remains to be seen.
Wacht maar even.